So let's talk about affiliate marketing. Why is it so incredibly tough to get started?
Well, get this. A staggering 92% of affiliates struggle to make money. They just hit a wall.
So what if you could just skip past that #1 business killer right from the jump?
Well, that's the whole idea behind the Profit Hub system. It uses AI to simplify everything. Think of it as the ultimate business in a box. It handles all that tricky tech stuff for you.
Okay, so let's peek inside. What do you actually get with this thing?
You get storefronts, ready-to-sell products, and even automated funnels. It's all done for you.
And the whole system is designed to be super simple, really beginner-friendly.
That focus on trust comes from its creator, Frank Andres. He's known as a top marketer.
But here's the kicker. It's so much more than software. It's an entire support ecosystem.
We're talking weekly live training, an active community, and even Q&As with the founder himself.
And here you can see that support in action, with direct updates keeping everyone in the loop.
What's really cool is they tailor the training to your skill level, helping you grow faster.
Getting started is pretty flexible too. There are different membership levels to fit your goals.
So, is this all-in-one model the game changer that finally makes online business accessible for everyone?